Animals have a... To begin, choose one of our new cubs. Let's see which toy this baby lion likes. Drag one over to try. It doesn't seem interested in this toy. That was fun for a bit. Baby lions have a lot of energy for playing. It loves this toy. Baby lions like to practice hunting. This little one is wiggly. Tap the different sounds buttons to help it stay still for weighing. The cub likes this sound, but it won't keep still. Not quite its vibe. Calm and happy. This sound is perfect. Snack time. Drag a snack to see how they react. Oh no, that snack does not work for lions. They eat meat. Yum, that's a favorite. Lions need to eat meat. A nice little snack. Meat is good for lions, big and small. You did a wonderful job. This certificate shows what your baby animal enjoyed the most. Let's go choose another baby animal to help.